Here's how to enable margin investing on Robinhood. First, you got to make sure you have the right account type. So when we go to account, we're going to go down to our settings. Inside of settings on the left-hand side, you're going to find investing. Now, here's where you're going to find your account type. You can see this account type is margin, so I can already enable margin investing, although it's not yet, and I'll show you how. But if you're on a cash account, you'll have to switch to a margin account in order to be able to actually do margin investing. And so to enable that, after you are on a margin account, we're going to go to the investing tab on here. This is going to show a bunch of different features to enable or disable. One of those is margin investing. So we'll just click this enable margin investing, and that's going to take us through the process, the step-by-step process to enable this. Now, all of the numbers you see here are not actual numbers. I have things sort of masked on this browser. So it's a bunch of 5s on here, but you can kind of ignore that. And basically enabling margin investing, making sure you have a margin investing account. You can then continue through this to finalize that. And that's how you can enable margins on Robinhood.